For many people, digital printing is mainly associated with colorful images used in marketing activities.
Digital printing can be a fundamental tool for automating processes.
Packaging is one of the most important building blocks in our entire business model.
We looked at how we can create intelligent packaging, that is, packaging with an individual code that can be clearly assigned to an order.
For Cyberport, digital printing serves a functional purpose. We only use digital printing in the form of a barcode. The barcode gives us the opportunity to achieve significant efficiency gains on our packing line because it streamlines and optimizes the entire process.
You save yourself a work step because you no longer have to print out the labels and then apply them. On the other hand, you simply avoid mistakes.
We opted for a recycled paper base and a simple design to keep it discreet and help prevent theft. Of course, this is a huge process advantage. We don't need extra labeling and we don't have to procure these labels separately. We don't have any additional materials that we need to apply to the corrugated cardboard.
The barcode is scanned twice during the packaging process, once before the scale and once before the labeler.
The advanced QR code allows us to track every single shopping box throughout the entire supply chain. A little fun fact for the customer, you can of course also store customer data on it. That means at Christmas you scan the QR code and then a funny Christmas video pops up. This means you are completely flexible and can easily store flexible data on the QR code data at any time.
Our customers benefit because the throughput time in the logistics center is significantly reduced, allowing us to hand over packages to the shipping service providers much faster. And as a result, the customer can receive their goods more quickly.
From my point of view, packaging today is much more than just product protection. It is still a marketing tool. In many cases, it is used to attract attention. But it is also becoming more and more a part of the digital supply chain because it contains and shares information, collects data. In other words, it has much more to offer within the entire supply chain than just protecting the product.
The collaboration has worked wonderfully from the very beginning. On the one hand, it was very warm and welcoming right from the start. We were looking for a sparring partner who not only shares our values but is also, of course, an expert in the entire field. No matter when, I was always able to reach our contact person and we always brainstorm together, what can we do better?
Tim is a very reliable supplier. The products delivered always meet our expectations. Furthermore, Tim is characterized by a high degree of flexibility.
Dear customers, Tim continues to invest in cutting-edge technologies because we are very confident that together with you, and with plenty of courage and a bit of pioneering spirit, we will master your challenges in the best possible way.